Hey, welcome to our channel. How are you guys? Hope you all are fine. If you like our videos, then share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe our channel.
If you're looking for an easy way to share contact information with others, Apple's Name Drop is a great option. With the recent release of iOS 17, some people are worried that using Name Drop comes with a steep learning curve, but that's not the case at all. Here's our guide to sharing contact information like a boss. What is Name Drop? Name Drop is one of the new features that comes with the latest version of iOS 17. It's like the old Tap to Share tool set, but with a focus on sending contact information directly to other people. There are many third-party apps out there, but Name Drop is Apple's first-party offering. How does Name Drop work? Using Name Drop is super easy. All you have to do is hold your iPhone close to the top of another person's iPhone. You'll see a faint light coming from the top of your device and Name Drop will pop up on both screens. Once you are connected, you will be able to control exactly which contact information will be shared between you and the other device. You can send the other person's information, or you can send your information, or both at the same time. To cancel, simply move your phone away from the other device before the system does its evil work. Unfortunately, Name Drop only works with new contacts, and cannot update existing contact information. To avoid this limitation, you can delete your contact before going into the Name Drop feature. To use Name Drop on your iPhone, you will need to update your phone to iOS 17. However, this is not always possible. You have another option for sharing contact information on your iPhone. You can go into your Contacts app, select Share Contact, and then tap Done. Select the delivery method, and you can choose Messages, Mail, or any other option you like. It should only take a few seconds to complete. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Honest Tech, for more awesome videos.